Hi, welcome to my English channel. Have you ever heard this question before? Why English learners fail to make progress in English? What is it that holds them back from reaching a breakthrough in English? Let's talk about this in this video. First and foremost, lack of motivation. Motivation is just like a fuel to your engine. It is the thing that sets your spirit on fire when learning English. When you feel demotivated, you lack the desire to learn English, and therefore, incredible progress might be out of reach. Second, lack of practice. Learning English is a matter of practice. You need to practice your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. Remember, practice makes progress. Lack of practice will eventually result in a complete failure instead of making progress in English. Third, lack of support. Having like-minded people around can support you through their genuine praise and constant encouraging words. Similarly, keeping you fully informed of the English knowledge can level up your progress in English. Imagine if you have no supportive people or you're not fully informed, then you'll end up making no progress in English. Fourth, lack of consistency. Consistency is the key to success in your English learning journey. If you lack consistency, it means that you won't be able to stick to a routine of learning English. You always make excuses for not learning English on a regular basis. When you skip learning English, then never dream of making progress in English. In a nutshell, making progress in English is something that all English learners wish to achieve. Things like lack of motivation, lack of practice, lack of support, and lack of consistency might get in the way as you learn English. Knowing how to tackle them will certainly enable you to make progress in English. Well, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video here on my YouTube channel. Goodbye!